guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. It's never too early to start preparing for Christmas, so why not start now? I have brought so many Sublimation Christmas hanging ornaments here for you guys. They feature many adorable Christmas designs, and each of them comes with a little red ribbon to be hung on your Christmas tree. And all of them are made of metal, so they are shatterproof and very durable. And here we have this collection of 10 aluminum hanging ornaments, and they are very thin, only measure 1 millimeter in thickness, but they are also very sturdy. It's impossible to bend them out of shape, and both the two sides are printable, so you can print them with more photos. And here is another two-sided printable ornaments collection, and they are made of zinc alloy, and this collection includes 3 styles: the wreath, the angel's wings, and the Santa's kiss. And each style has gold and silver colors for you guys to choose. And this collection is just so beautifully made with the very delicate embossed designs and embossed lines. Every little detail is very beautiful and very perfect. And the Santa's key ornament comes with 2 little pendants here. One has a little cute embossed snowflake pattern, and the other one says Santa's special Christmas key, which is also very cute. And here on the key you can see ho 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 on both the 2 sides. Just like I said, every little detail is very perfect. And each ornament from this collection comes with 2 printable aluminum inserts for you to sublimate with your photos. Now let's see another ornament collection made of zinc alloy. It includes more festive designs, and all of them are embellished with the classic Christmas colors. We have some little houses here, and some Christmas cars, and the shapes of Christmas tree, Christmas ball, and the star. And on the back you can see this grid pattern texture. So all the ornaments from this collection is one side printable, and each of them comes with a little aluminum insert for you to print. And next I'm going to pick one ornament from each collection and show you guys how to print them. So please keep watching. So do you guys like the printer results? They are so well done, and with the little red ribbons, you can hang the ornaments everywhere directly after sublimation printing, like on your Christmas tree, on every corner in your house, or even on the rearview mirror in your car. And you know, it's never too early to prepare for Christmas, and it's better to get ready in advance. So why not order these ornaments right now? You can send email to best@bestsub.net for ordering, and we also have some small and portable home use sublimation heat press machines for you. You can use them to print all these ornaments. And if you like today's video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. And I'm Alex. We'll see you again in my next video.